Do you want to take Jonathan Montoya 3-day challenge and call it your own? He will be giving you 100% commissions and allow you to white label the 3-day challenge as your own. Jonathan Montoya will even let you use your own affiliate links as well inside the challenge to get more commissions on the back end. Jonathan Montoya have had over 13,000 students go through the challenge, and it has been an absolute game changer. He have seen countless testimonials of people starting their first business ever, but more importantly getting their first lead, sale, starting their TikToks or YouTube. It's been amazing to watch. And here's the kicker. As a Freedom Breakthrough affiliate, Jonathan Montoya will allow you to use your ClickFunnels and get response link. Something he have been asked by lots of affiliates. And yes, 100% commissions from the 3-day challenge itself. He will be giving a handful of people the ability to promote the product as their own. Essentially a white label 3-day challenge. You can use his authority and leverage to sell this as your own. Meaning, you take payments for the challenge, 100% profits. You fulfill on the order, you host the challenge members area, everything. And of course, you can add your own affiliate links in the challenge since you will essentially own it. So, how do you get access? You can go all in and get Freedom Breakthrough 2.0 and get the 3-day white label challenge as a bonus. Or, you can simply just get the 3-day white label challenge here without getting Freedom Breakthrough 2.0. Everything is rigged in your favor. Enjoy learning, work hard and manifest success. Thank you for watching. To learn more, click on the link below.